Hey guys, I'm back again, and as you can tell, my floor is a mess once again. And as promised, I have my Royal Model 9700. I have gotten a belt for it, and I am doing a mess test. As you can probably tell by all the dirt on my floor, it is rather horrible. So we're going to do this just as we do all the other ones. We're going to do a pass right through the middle to where it cleaning both the styles of rugs. Then I'll shut the sweeper off and give you an overview of what I thought on how it picked up, and then we will pick up the rest of the mess. I will do my review on it and show you a little bit of things about the vacuum cleaner. First things first, I do want to say, got everything working right except for the headlight bulb here is blown. I got to get a new headlight bulb. Other than that, it is all ready to go, so you will not see the light on when I'm running the sweeper here. But without any further ado, we'll go through a pass right through the middle there between both rugs, and then we will shut the sweeper off and give you an overview of how good it did, and then we'll sweep up the rest of the mess, and I will do a full product review of this vacuum cleaner and tell you what I think about it and show you some of the features on the unit. Definitely picked up really good. It missed a little bit right there, but other than that, it picked up pretty much everything on both styles of the carpet. Got a lot of power. I think I had it set just a little bit too low, but it did pick up pretty good. So I'll raise it up and I'll reset it before I vacuum up the rest of this. But then I will vacuum up the rest of this and give you a full review and tell you some of the features of the vacuum, what I like about it and what I don't. So if you watch, I'm going to adjust it to where this little adjuster thing sucks in. Hard to get it at the angle. There we go. Overall, I have the same likes and dislikes this vacuum as I did the Model 4000 that I showed you guys. This one ain't as heavy, but it's still kind of hard to use. Being an all-metal vacuum cleaner, it does have a little bit of weight behind it. Once again, it's very easy to change the bag on it. It's the exact same thing as on the 4000. You unzip the zipper and the bag is in there. You pull the bag out, take it off, put your new one on. Definitely got a large bag capacity. I will not complain about that one bit. You can fill the bag all the way up to right here on it before you have to dump it. Royal don't recommend you doing that. But being a direct air vacuum cleaner, I really can't see what it would hurt. This one is obviously older than the other one. It's more of a lightweight model. I have cleaned it up the best I could. There's still some spots on it, but it is pretty shiny like the other one. It definitely looks a whole lot better than what it did when I got it. There are some spots I do need to do a little bit more work on. Now, the features of the vacuum are just the same as on the 4000. You can pull this off and hook your hose into there. That's your belt access to remove the belt. Maintenance on this is once again just as easy. You just got this one lever here you pull. Then you can pull the whole breast roll out once you have disassembled the belt. And that's also easy access for getting the hairs and stuff like this off the vacuum cleaner. You can just take it once you get that panel off and pretty easily pull them right out of there. So that is, I definitely do like the ease of maintenance on this. The only thing that's different between this model and the 4000, give me a minute here, let me get this plate back on. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. And plus, at the angle the vacuum is sitting at and the angle I am sitting at makes it even harder. Alright, here we go. Snaps back on there just like that. It's a lot easier with two hands. Everything is the same on this vacuum cleaner except for the motor. It is a smaller motor. I don't know if you can tell by remembering when you look at Model 4000 or if you've ever seen a Model 4000, this is a smaller motor. It is much lighter. I'd say this is probably about 5-6 pounds lighter. Not a huge difference, but it is definitely lighter. It's still got the all-metal toggle switch here for the power switch. Easy cord access, so should your cord tear or something, you can easily pull that panel off. There's 2 wire nuts on it. You shorten your cord, put the wiring nuts back on it, and you should be good to go. However, if I were to do it, I definitely would not put the wire nuts back on it. I have had lots of problems in the past with the wire nuts not wanting to stay on. So I heat shrink all the electrical work I do on vacuum cleaners to ensure it's not going to spark and start a fire, and also to ensure that it is not going to come off because it shrinks to the size of the wire, so there's no way that's going to come out of there. Functions the same. It's got the adjust the right belt feature. When you get it lowered down to where it sucks to the floor, this little button here sucks itself in. That's how you know when you've got it adjusted right. Bulb is the same as the other one, except for on the other one it works because the bulb wasn't blown. This bulb here was blown. I've got to get a new bulb for my Royal vacuum cleaner. You can buy those at your local vacuum parts store for $5 or $6. They're not very much. They're probably even less than that. It's got the thing here where you can put scent tablets in it to make your room smell good while you're running a vacuum cleaner. I've never done that. Don't really see the need to do that. As long as you keep your vacuum cleaner clean, it is not going to smell. Except for once you get the bag a lot of the way full, it has a tendency to sometimes get a little bit of a dusty odor to it, but that's because you've got a bag full of dirt sitting on the vacuum cleaner. And at the price for the bags, you may as well just replace the bag at that point and not worry about buying the scent tablets. Other than that, this unit is in great shape. Other than the bulb, we've got it completely working properly like it should. My only complaint about this is it's definitely got the power to clean your carpet, and it definitely does do that. However, my only complaint would be the fact that it is kind of hard to use. Alright, guys, thank you for watching, and I will be back soon with more videos, and I believe at this point we're going to have to find a new vacuum cleaner to do videos on. So I will check around at yard sales and flea markets, and I will pick up a new vacuum cleaner to do a video on. Alright, guys, thank you for watching.